Lecture 2 Social Life in Vedic Age. The Rig Veda provides us information that people wish to acquire materialistic things like horses and cattle, male, child, etc. Horses were used to pull chariots. There were conflicts among people for animals' fodder and places where water was available abundances. Hence, large quality food for animals' fodder. A part of the wealth acquired in war was kept by the leader before distributing it amongst priests and common people. Some part was used for yagnas as offering to god and goddesses. These offerings were in the form of ghee and grains, etc. In the Vedic society, man participated in wars, but there was no system of maintaining a permanent army as we have now. People sat together to conduct meetings to discuss war and peace and choose brave and able warrior as their leader. So this is the social life in Vedic age. Now classification of different social groups. There are four groups: Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishyas and Sudras. Brahmins. Brahmins means priests and teachers to perform religious ceremonies. Kshatriyas, warriors to protect the society. Vaishyas, farmers, craftsmen, shopkeepers and traders. And Sudras, the local residents of the Ganga Valley of the Dasas to do the manual jobs. The people who composed the Vedas called themselves Arya, or the noble ones, and those whom they opposed as Dasyus and Dasas. Smallest unit of the society was the Kula of family. A number of Kulas together were known as Visha or clan, means traditional social group of families. A number of clans became Jana or tribe, means peoples. Now, megalith. Megalith means a large stone or stone stalls of great size used in such construction. Here is the megalith and here the iron weapons. Megaliths have been found at burial sites. The people of that time used to bury the dead bodies and covered the graves with large stones. Here dead bodies, and then they put some big stones on there. The remains of these megaliths have been found in South as well as Northeast India. Megaliths have been found both above and below the ground. Archaeologists have found well-arranged round-shaped stones along with some vertical ones. The stones are evidences of their burial practices. The people probably had to work very hard to construct these megaliths. Burial means ritual act of placing a dead person or animal into the ground. Now, there is similarity in the burial sites where usually the dead bodies were buried along with objects like vessels made of red and black clay, tools, weapons, ornaments, etc. Sometimes even bones of animals like cow and goat have been found. Now some more facts about the burial practices we discuss in lecture 3.